Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen, and in today's video I have part 2 to my Christmas home decor haul. I do want to say off the bat, I apologize for the background. This is a Christmas tree that I intended to put up last night, and I realized that the tree is not completely in the box. This is a tree that I bought on clearance at the end of the season. Actually, it was March when I bought it, March 2022, and the whole tree is not in the box, and I gave away my other tree. So we're trying to work that situation out right now. It is a situation, and that is why I'm not decorated. I put these up just for festive purposes for the background. Anyway, I don't want to waste too much time. Let's get into this haul. We have Target, Joann Fabrics. I have a really good Joann's find, and Hobby Lobby. Also a few things from Etsy too, because it is important to shop small this holiday season. But we are gonna start off with Target. So the only Christmas item I got is this really cute stocking from Hearth and Hand. This was $14.99, and it is a really pretty kind of cream beige knit kind of vibe. I feel like it'll look really good with these three up here. So it's just my husband and I, but we have stockings for our dogs too. They get a human stocking. And I did have 4 stockings last year, but I actually hate one of them. I just settled on it, so I am replacing it with this. And then I also picked up this really large vase from the Hearth and Hand collection. This was $19.99 full price online. I bought it online for an in-store pickup, and I got it home. Looking at the tag, it says $24.99. So these are $5 more in store right now. So if you can get it online, what is this? I don't know what that is, but it has like a brown mark on it. If you can get this online, it's probably a better deal than in store, but it is a huge vase. It's beautiful, and this looks similar to one that's on the McGee & Co website right now for like $90. So definitely the look for less. Keeping it moving to Joann's, they have their own version of the Norfolk collection that's at A Floral and Kirkland's. It's pricey at A Floral. It's pricey at Kirkland's, but not quite as pricey, but at Joann's, it's affordable. So this is their version of the Norfolk stem. I'm gonna give you a comparison so you can kind of see how close they are or aren't. This is the Kirkland's one, which is the same as A Floral, and this one's $10. This is the Joann Fabrics one. It is $12.99, but of course at Joann's, you're gonna get it for probably at least 60% off. I did buy it for 50% off, so this was $6.50, but it's super early in the season. These are gonna go down. So you can see the Kirkland's and A Floral one is a lot bigger. It has more movement. This does have that real touch feel though. It feels kind of rubbery. This one has more wiring through it. So these stems do have wire all the way almost to the tip, so you can bend them and manipulate them and make them drape if that's what you want, like how these ones do. Okay, so it's me from the future. I just wanted to pop in and show you what these stems look like in a vase so that you can see that these actually are a really good substitute for the Norfolk ones. So here's the vase from Target. This is the smaller one that I have. This does come in 2 sizes, and this is 4 stems in the smaller vase. 4 wasn't quite enough to fill up this one, so I pulled out this vase so you could see, but you can make it very drapey, and I feel like this looks really, really good. So I'm definitely gonna try to get a few more, because this is exactly the look that I feel like a lot of us are going for, and it was a fraction of the price. My husband actually said he thought this one looked more realistic because the color is a little bit better, and I agree. This one is very lime. This one is a more true pine kind of a color. So anyways, I will link this stem down below, as well as the garland and the wreath. They also have like a little bush that has a short stem on it that might be cute popped into a short vase. And these may be out of stock online as well, but you can actually look at the listing and see if they're in stock near you at your nearest Joann's. So if you can't get your hands on the A Floral or the Kirkland's, or they're just out of your budget, definitely keep these in mind. I think they're a pretty good, I wouldn't call them a dupe, but I would say they're a decent substitution, especially if you can get them really on a really good sale. Like sometimes they'll do buy one floral, get 2 or 3 free. I feel like that's a good sale. And yeah, so I wanted to definitely show you guys that. I also picked up these 3 trees in the 3 different sizes. I love these. I love the brown to kind of taupe to cream ombre, and I'm not a huge glitter girl, but I feel like the glitter on the brown trees really helps it feel like Christmas. I've seen the brown trees before. I love them. I've thought about getting them, but they just weren't giving enough Christmas. So this little bit of glitter, I feel like it helps the Christmas vibes a lot. So the big one, $14.99. These were 50% off, so I got that for $7.50. Medium, $12.99, so $6.50. And the small is $9.99. So I got this for $5. That's it for Joann's. They also have those mushrooms, the wooden mushrooms that I bought last year, in stock again this year. Run and grab those. They are so cute. I have them sitting out right now. I think I have them out for fall. I just put them back out because I had something else there for Halloween, but I love them, and they actually come in and out of my decor all year round. I know some of you were looking for them last year. They're back in stock, and I think I will go to Joann's and do a best of Joann's video like I've done in the past with other stores. I think I did that last year at Joann's for Christmas. If you guys like those videos, let me know. I just think it streamlines things a little bit more if I just show the very best items, because if you're on my channel, I have a feeling you're looking for my style, and there's a lot of things in these stores that I wouldn't personally buy, so I like to show you what I would buy and just save us both some time. So anyways, I may do that if you guys are interested. But I want to move on to Etsy real quick. In my first fall home decor haul that I did on my channel this year, I shared a couple really cute glass can kind of cups that are really popular right now that I had purchased off of Etsy, and you guys loved them. So those were from AMW, I think it's AMW Vinyl Designs on Etsy, but her card just says AMW here. And her name's Ashley. We've known each other for years on social media, but she sent me a few Christmas ones to show you guys. I think you guys are gonna love these. These make really cute gifts. So this first one looks a lot like the kind of fall one that I showed you guys, but it's the Christmas version. So it's got the peppermints, the gingerbread and candy canes, snowmen, poinsettia. This is glass. It has the wood lid and it comes with the straw. And then the other one is similar, but it's Grinch themed. So this one looks like bubble tea with little bubble Grinches in it, his hand with the ornament, him as a frappuccino, and him as like the face of the, almost like the Starbucks siren. Is that what siren? Mermaid? Anyways, these are so darn cute. You guys have got to get your hands on these for Christmas. These would make really cute gifts, especially if you're doing like a gift exchange with people that you don't know very well, like coworkers or anything like that, for neighbors. These are so cute. They have a ton of different designs as well if you want to check out like something that's not Christmas specific. And Ashley also sent me this adorable embroidery hoop ornament. So it is on a real embroidery hoop here. It says Merry Christmas with the house and the snow. I think she has a baby's first Christmas one as well, and there may be more. This would be a really cute housewarming ornament or a hostess gift, and it is handmade with this adorable bow. Definitely try to support some small businesses this year, you guys. Your purchase can really help out like an actual family. And last year for Christmas, all the Christmas gifts that I gave to my family were from local small shops. So I'm going to try to do that again this year, and potentially some shops off of Etsy. So AMW Designs is going to be linked down below. Check them out. I may have a discount code as well for 10% off. If that's still active, I'll have that down there. And thank you, Ashley, so much for sending me these adorable cups and the ornament. This one I'm actually gonna gift to my mom. Hopefully she's not watching. Okay, so let's move on to Hobby Lobby. I did get this bin of shatterproof brown ornaments. I do have the brown glass ornaments in a few different shades of brown from Hobby Lobby last year. But if I see shatterproof ornaments that look convincing, I'm picking them up because it's such a pain to have glass ornaments. They look gorgeous, but I don't know if it's worth it anymore because I have an entire closet full of bins, like it's top to bottom full of just ornaments because you have to individually wrap them. They're so delicate. So I honestly would like to donate a lot of those if I can. So I'm trying to replace some of my just simple, meaningless glass ornaments with some shatterproof ones, as long as they look good. And these do. I may not use the glitter ones, but the shiny one and the matte one, they look really good to me, just like the glass ones. So these were $39.99, and everything Christmas at Hobby Lobby is already 60% off, so these ended up being really cheap. I also was so excited to finally get my hands on these picks or stems. These are $5.99. They're kind of like a cedar or a juniper, something like that. And with 60% off, these are under $3 a stem. I originally bought 5 of them and my total was $12 for 5 of these stems. I went back and I bought 5 more because I feel like you can't have enough of this. And they have a really long stem on them. Okay, so they're a little bit long for this, but that was one of the reasons why I got these, because I will feel really bad trimming this stem down. I know I can bend it, but I really like to kind of trim them down to size. I will not feel bad trimming these. They look really realistic. They're affordable. 10 out of 10 recommend these. I would go soon to get them if you're interested though, because last year I could not find these. Okay, also from Hobby Lobby, I did get these taper candles. These are the twisted ones in white. These are $1.99. You cannot use the 50% off sale. They just automatically take it off your item if that item happens to be on sale. They don't do it for items under $2.99. I will say, I probably would not burn these for more than a few minutes or like just over dinner time, because they melt really quickly and make a big mess. So for me, it's more about the look. I probably will light them when I do my tour for you guys, maybe at Christmas dinner, but otherwise they're just for looks. All right, next up, I did get a bunch of these velvet ribbons from their fall section. So I was just in there today at Hobby Lobby. I did not buy this today. I bought this a few days ago, but I was looking at Christmas trees because I explained this, right? I had to refilm this video. I usually have to refilm at least once every single time I film, but I was looking everywhere at new Christmas trees today. And so I was in Hobby Lobby. I ended up ordering my tree from Wayfair. Side note, I'll put a picture on the screen. It's an 8-foot tree. So I'm excited because I did want to downsize, but I still wanted bigger than 7 foot. So anyways, these are 75% off. All of that to say, these are now 75% off. I bought it at 66% off, but you get the 21 feet and it's full price $7.99. So a really good deal. This is so pretty. I think this would be so pretty on my stockings too. I'm excited for this. Okay, next up, I was actually at Hobby Lobby before I went to Target. And originally I had picked up this stocking from Hobby Lobby. This is so nice. These sell out very quickly as well. This is $28.99, and then with the 60% off, I think it was under $12 a stocking. I am going to link a really beautiful stocking that I saw at Joann's. That's also a really good chunky knit kind of cream-ish stocking, as long as it's still available. But here is the comparison between the Target one and the Hobby Lobby one, but these are really nice for the price. It's just a little bit bright for me, but now holding it up and having my stockings in the background, I kind of want to keep it. I don't know. Let me know, should I keep this stocking and just have like an extra stocking up just for show? All right, we're down to the final 2 items. I did grab the big sugar cones, $19.99, but the 60% off. I'm probably just gonna style these in a bowl, but I feel like these would be really nice on like a huge Christmas tree, of course in a bowl or tucked into a garland if you're doing one of those like big garlands across a big fireplace. So I'm excited for these. I have wanted those for a while. Last item, I did buy 2 of these ornaments. I bought several of these last year. I think they went up in price this year. They're $13.99, but the 60% off. By the way, I went and bought these a few days ago. They only had 2 of these left, but when I went back today to look at what their trees looked like, they had restocked a bunch of these. So I think it's still early enough in the season that if you go to your Hobby Lobby and you're looking for something and it's not there, that it could be restocked, or maybe it's not even out yet. I see them still like switching some aisles over from fall. And I actually may not have needed to buy these because my tree, like I said, my new tree is gonna be 8 feet tall. My old trees were always 9 feet tall, and I felt like I didn't have enough of these last year, but now I might have the perfect amount. I mean, 2 more ornaments isn't gonna hurt, but I probably wouldn't have bought 2 more of these had I known about the tree fiasco that was going to ensue, but I'm gonna keep them anyway. So that actually was the last item from this haul, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is a bit long, I see. Let me know what you guys would like to see from me next. I would love to do an anti-popular Christmas decor haul. If you guys know what anti-hauls are, it's basically, I think people in the makeup community used to do them, where they would just talk about why they're not buying popular new releases. And I kind of want to do that because there's so many like very popular items that I'm seeing everybody hauling and buying, and I'm staying away from them. And so I thought I could do an anti-haul, not to be negative, but just to kind of talk about why we don't need to buy every single thing that comes out every year. So let me know how you feel about that. Again, not trying to be negative. I don't want to bring any negativity into the Christmas season, but I just think it would be fun and insightful. Well, I have sufficiently rambled, so I'm going to get going. Thank you guys again. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.